Good morning, sir, madam. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Simi. I'm basically from Uttar Pradesh, but currently staying in Bangalore. I did my graduation in BSc from Delhi University, Lucknow. Currently, I am pursuing MCA in Reva University, Bangalore. I belong to a nuclear family. My strengths are I am self-motivated, hardworking, and a disciplined person. My short-term goal is to get a job in a reputed company, and my long-term goal is to achieve a good position where I can build my career and help the organization too. My hobby are listening to music, cooking, and reading books. That's all about me. Thanks again for this opportunity.